bit of an extra video today. Let's call it another bonus video. Video went really well last time we did this, and everyone seemed to really like our bonus video. We're currently on the M25. It's Bank Holiday Monday, and we're having a little adventure. We are being very adventurous, and we're going to South Mims service station. Isn't that exciting? We know how to live life. We're actually going to meet some Florida friends of ours. They've become really, really close friends over the years. We've met them on the Dibb. If you don't know the Dibb, I will link it up below. It is the place to go for anyone that loves their Florida trips. But it's brilliant for anyone that loves the States. There's so much information on there. I love reading the trip reports, and I write trip reports, but everything that you need to do or need to know for Disney, it's on there. It's amazing. And we've met some really, really good friends on there, and we're currently going to meet Lisa and Ian and Cheryl as well. I think Cheryl's husband's working, so we're going to meet at them. And they were my Boston girls as well. We went on a Boston trip as our friend Debbie moved out there a couple of years ago now, didn't she? I think so. Yeah. And so I'll link those videos up below as well if you didn't see those, because we had so much fun. So yes, we have met some lovely friends in the Disney community. Disney has really changed our life, hasn't it?
It certainly has, yes.
Yeah. Also wanted to talk a bit later, actually. I'm going to let A do that. Somebody's asked about my strap on my G7, my Canon G7X Mark II, because rightly so, they do not come with a neck strap, and mine does have one. That's something that actually Aid's created and done for me. Yeah. So he's going to talk to you a little bit about that, and he's going to try and find the links, because you bought some bits and pieces to create one.
Trial and error with a couple of other things, but it helped having a previous Canon. But yeah, we'll chat about that later.
Yeah, so I'm going to go through that with you as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's bonus video. I hope you're having a lovely Bank Holiday Monday, and enjoy. And even when I'm not actually at work, I'm still working. I've got a tray of work here, and I'm just doing packaging whilst I'm in the car. These are for the upcoming, where are we? We're May, aren't we? For the May kits. We're nearly there. Are you excited, Aid?
Yeah.
Me too.
Looking forward to my Burger King.
We're not doing Burger King, we're doing Starbucks.
What do you think?
Talking of Burger King, should we update them on our weight loss this week? We spoke about it in our bonus video the other day.
Yes, I'm the same.
We both need to lose weight for fun. No, you said you gained a weight.
No, I'd lost. I made myself again.
So you're the same weight? That's not fair, because I've gained a pound. It's the snacks in the evening.
Yeah, no, I know that.
Right, come on. Let's go get some coffee.
And a Burger King?
No Burger King.
Oh yes.
No. Just after 12 o'clock, we've had a really, really nice time with our friends. They are such lovely people. We really have met the nicest people through our Disney community. It was just lovely, wasn't it? And South Mims is really nice. We haven't been there for absolutely years. Really light and airy. Starbucks, and we just sat there with coffee. You can only park for free for 2 hours though, and after that it's 15 quid. So it's quite a lot. So we're on our way home. I have just been looking on my phone. We're already talking for our trip for 2020 for next year. I know people always think you're crazy when you book these kind of holidays, planning so far in advance, but you need to, I think, to be able to get the best out of your holiday, you need to be able to plan in advance. We're looking at staying at Royal Pacific at the start of our trip. That's at Universal. We've stayed there twice now, haven't we? We did the first time we did a night at Hard Rock, and Aid and I both got poorly. I had really bad migraine, and we think Aid had sunstroke, so we spent most of the time throwing up in our room. And then we did 2017, was it 5 or 6 nights? 5 nights, I think. 5 nights, yeah. Royal Pacific, and we had the Jurassic Park suite with the kids. It was the best time. And then last year we weren't going to do a Universal stay, and then we were watching Anton Deck, or Deck on his own, bless him. And it was the final of, what's their program? Saturday Night Takeaway. Yeah. And it was at Universal, and I missed it so much. And we'd promised ourselves that we wouldn't book last year, save money, and I ended up going online that night, and we booked 1 night at Royal Pacific. So we had our 2 days at Universal with the express passes. I've just actually had them on our Florida vlogs, which I'll link up below for you. We just love staying there so much, and we agreed actually that as much as we love Disney, there's something about staying around the Universal area. We just all feel so relaxed there, don't we? We've been looking looking at prices for Royal Pacific next year. We really want the Jurassic pub room again. You've got like the normal bedroom with one bathroom, but the kids have their own bedroom off yours, and it's quite a spacious suite as well. There isn't a kitchen or anything. I just wish there was another bathroom, but it's not the end of the world. And I've been looking, and the prices are really quite high. And we keep saying, and I go through hotels.com so that I can go through Quidco, because you usually get about 10% back, something like that, which is quite a saving. And I've been looking for 4 nights for the start of our trip, and I've just typed in 5 nights, and it's actually come out cheaper than the 4 nights.
Overall cheaper, not
yeah, like £200 cheaper than the 5 nights. Yeah, for 1 more night. Doesn't make sense. So we're actually going to go home, and I think I'm going to book it. It's a 1-night deposit to put down, full cancellation up until like the day before you go or something. And obviously you get your front of line passes while staying at Royal Pacific. And the nice thing is, it's literally a 10-minute drive from the airport, which is lovely when you arrive in Orlando. So I think we may actually be booking up for next year, which is wonderful. That's August next year. So it's quite exciting, babe. We may have a holiday planned for next year. Aid wants to go to the pub. Yes. What are you doing on Bank Holiday Monday? Let me know what you got up to. Just going past Heathrow. We hit our double digits this week. We're coming around so soon. I'm so excited. I'm ready to go. Whoa! Ariel! Oh.
Please keep talking so they can copyright.
Right, I'm home. Walked in. Louis had Domino's delivered. He's sat in the sitting room, just surrounded by all these boxes from this Domino's. I'm going straight in to check out the hotels.com price, because what I saw online on my phone just looks too good to be true. We worked out if we book 5 nights, it's 466 quid a night. If I book, sorry, that's 4 nights. If I book 5 nights, it works out at 326 pounds a night or something like that. It's just so much cheaper, and it's actually adding on a Saturday night, so it's not like it's like changing to the weekdays. I'm going to go straight on now. If it's still that price, I am going to book Florida for 2020. And going through Quidco, it's currently 8% cashback. I booked it. It's the start of our Orlando holiday for 2020. I'm so pleased I got it for that price as well. Holly, you alright?
Hi.
You okay?
Working her up.
I've just wanted to tell you and Louis something.
Pregnant.
No. Louis, are you listening? Holly.
Has someone died?
No. We spoke about Universal in the car. We made a decision.
What?
We're not going for 4 nights. We're not going for 4 nights.
Oh, Mum, classic you.
We're going for 5 nights!
This year?
No, next year. We've booked it.
Yay, for
Yay,
Royal
thank
Pacific.
you.
Royal Pacific, Jurassic Park Suite.
Gyrosphere!
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
I'm just adding this in from the next day. I've actually just had my Quidco confirmed, and it's 150 quid cashback, so I'm really pleased with that. It comes through about 3 months after you've actually stayed, but I will actually leave my referral link below for Quidco. If you haven't signed up, it's really worth it. So excitement aside, I look really washed out today. I'm so tired. I'm just doing some work. I'm having some trouble with YouTube at the moment, and I'm really hacked off, to be honest with you. I was up really late last night editing my videos and just trying to get today's up. I've been having trouble. This company have stepped in a couple of days ago, and they keep making claims on the music that I'm including that they own the copyright to, which they don't, because I've gone direct to the original source where I get the music. The composer, it's the same composer I use. He uses this one company. I've purchased the music. I've got a license. I've got a purchase receipt, so I'm allowed to use that music. And this company keeps claiming that they own the copyright, and it puts almost like there's no strike or anything like that, but it's putting like I can't monetize those videos whilst the dispute's going on, and this company has 30 days to review it. So, and they keep doing it. I've now got 5 videos that I'm disputing now, and like yesterday, as soon as I had my video up, they'd already put a claim in, and it's a real pain, and it's really horrible when you wake up in the morning and you get emails like that. I've always been one to keep by the rules, and it really bothers me. So yesterday I decided, right, I'm going to change my music. I'd been wanting some different music anyway, and I found this one company, and they really support you with that kind of thing, which I really like. It's more money than I wanted to spend, but I've decided to do it and then just keep the music, so that I've got music for all my videos, which is the same for the intro and the outro. I've then also purchased music for the California trip coming up. I was up late editing the video, all ready to go, and we'd downloaded this music earlier on in the day and paid for it. And then I thought, right, I just needed to go and have a look. Once I downloaded and purchased the music, it then gives you all this extra information. So I was reading through last night, just seeing what I needed to include at the bottom of my video. And despite us purchasing the music, we still have to get permission from the company to use it. I think they are trying to rule out people stealing music, obviously, so I fully support them as well, but I couldn't post my video today with the music. So I've now got to purchase an extra song. If we have 3 or more songs of theirs, they can do, you can like fill out a form and they can whitelist it, so that I don't have to ask permission. Otherwise, each video I do, I have to contact them first. So I'm trying to find some music in the meantime. I've also accidentally then found out last night that somebody has stolen all the content of my channel and created their own channel. It's like a spammy type name, not even a word I would be able to pronounce, just a random load of letters. And it's like the first year or so of my videos are on their channel, and that's all their channel is. They've only got like 7 subscribers, but it's still a pain. So I've actually just reported them to YouTube. I didn't bother last night. I was so tired by the time I sorted my video out last night. So I've just reported them for I can't even say the word, impersonating my channel. So I'm just doing that. But now I'm trying to find some music. I think we're going to be going out to, I was going to be doing the Yellowfish for tea tonight. But now I think we're going down the pub with our friends. So I'm going to spend the afternoon working, I think, and then we're going out for dinner. Just a cheapie at the pub and a glass of wine, because I think I will deserve that wine. But YouTube is hard work sometimes. It really, really is. But I'm trying to find one more song to download that I think will match the channel really well. Nearly 5. We're going to the pub. I've had enough. Fed up with YouTube. I've been dealing with that all afternoon. I have also got all the zine stuff ready for my kit done and sent off today, so that's good. I've sorted that. I have also, Disney have been changing all their extra magic hours and all that the last couple of days, so I've got all our lists, and at the pub we are going to go over our Disney itinerary, because there's certain things that we're actually going into a park for evening extra magic hours and they no longer exist. We've also now got extra magic hours at Hollywood Studios with the new Star Wars opening, so we want to make the most of that. So I think our itinerary is going to be needed to be readjusted. We are now going to talk camera straps. Aid's just come downstairs. Before we go to the pub, I need a very large glass of wine.
Bottle.
Yes. We're going to show you our camera strap on our G7X Mark II.
Yep. Hello, what do you want me to talk about?
Somebody's asked about the strap on the G7 Mark, whatever it is.
Now, this is the G7X Mark II, and the camera strap on it isn't the one that it comes with. It is an official Canon one, but it's the one that came with our G15 that we had. It was the strap for there. We bought these little ends, you notice,
they're like little snappy ones,
because the holes are smaller. If you look on, really sad that this is, but if you look on the G15, there's a little bit more room there. So what used to happen, the wide strap would go straight onto the camera at that point there. So we've got these little extensions, and they've got to be careful, they are actually clip fastened.
They've never come undone whilst I've
never
worn
come
it,
undone, no.
You
But
say that, it'll probably come off.
But I think what you can actually do, you can actually also buy maybe a wrist version as well. So the idea is you could actually interchange them.
That's a good idea.
But we've done that. We'll send a link. But I did first of all buy these. I also bought these from a company called Peak Design. I tried these first, but you'll notice there, see, that is quite thick and they would not go through the G7X Mark II. But I would actually say these Peak Design straps are really good. Again, there's a kind of quick release feature that you can then add wrist strap to. I really like the idea behind those.
But they wouldn't work.
But they were a little bit too thick. So
Yeah.
if you do see the Peak Design ones, they're brilliant. And we're using that for G15, more for emergencies. But yeah, I'll find the link. I think there's a set of 5 or 6 of these.
Were they very
that
expensive?
could be used. Not very expensive, no, but it's a real. I don't know why.
I know it's a strange design. It's an expensive camera.
But they provide a wrist strap, but they provide the 2 points for a neck strap to go on.
But there isn't one.
But there isn't one.
No.
So we'll send the link. Hopefully that's
I'll leave the link below.
And
thank you. Let's go and get some
food
and
drink.
Yes. As you know, I saw my friend Cheryl today. Look at this globe she's given me. She was handing it to the charity store, and I have a real thing for globes. So I think it's going to look really nice in my hallway here. So thank you, Cheryl. It's come to a very good home. He's got his planning bag with him, haven't you? Can you believe it's May? We're both here with our coats on. It feels really cold. We're now going to be doing Disney itinerary trip planning and drinking wine. Wondering what to have, what you're fancying.
Steak deal on Thursday.
It's not Thursday.
No, I wonder what it was.
It's Monday.
Rump steak for £7 all day.
What I love about this, you select your date and then it gives you all the information of like the crowd levels, how busy it is, park times, the opening hours, if there's extra magic hours, if there's any parades, anything like that. It tells you, and then you can plan your day accordingly. So you can see here that Epcot and Animal Kingdom are the quietest of the days. That's how we plan our trip. Having a few problems with our meal. Lovely steak, cold fries and veg. Russ has already finished. He had his years ago. Sonia, are you too happy to be on film? Oh, yeah, you've got your wine, so you're happy.
Wine's good.
Was your Kiev good?
Very good.
Was it?
Fries, needs more beans.
Yeah.
Apart from that, good.
Aid, how's yours? Chips cold. Yeah.
But you could only
we got 3 cheesecakes. They look quite nice on, don't they?
Yeah, they do, very nice.
Yeah.
Just need spoons, unfortunately.
Spoons would be lovely. And the boys have got 3 fudge cake.
Can you hold it a bit higher? So
I can't, my arms are really small. Go on then, you do it.
Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, that's nice. We've had we've had a really nice evening.
We have. Food was crap.
Food was rubbish.
How warm was your veg?
It was cold.
How warm were your chips?
Cold.
How warm were the chips that came out as a replacement?
They burnt my mouth.
Steak was nice.
Yes, it was. I'm so tired.
Right,
it's 8:30.
We're just walking the little doggy. Where is she?
She's there.
Hello.
The wine's made me tired.
Yeah.
I want to go to sleep. But we had so much fun with our friends.
Really, really nice.
I love them so much.
Yeah. Russ and Sahara.
They're really, they're really lovely. You're silly. But I will link a video below about Disney trip planning, about how I need to step on tippy toes, about how we plan our trips. I did a video a while ago about itinerary planning and all that, and I collaborated with Damien and India, who did their own version. Oh, my battery's flashing.
Better be quick.
So I'm going to link that up below because it might be really helpful. But we did a good Disney plan tonight.
We did, yeah.
It was only 7 days.
We might, if we lose the end of this.
We won't.
Yeah.
We've still got a little bit of time.
Okay.
I will link that up below. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know how you plan your Disney trips. And have you got something coming up for 2020? We have. Yes. We can say that now.
Yes. Anyway, that's for next time.
Yeah, I really love you.
Love you too.
No, I was talking to them. Oh. Not you.
Right, okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I made a friend. Hello, come here. Want to be my friend? Thank you for all the series recommendations, by the way. We are going home and we are going to be watching The Victim.
I'm the victim.
That's the decision we made. And we're looking forward to it, aren't we? We finished The Bay.
You'll be asleep in 10 minutes.
What else have we finished this week?
The Widow.
We finished The Window. What else?
Been watching Run 2013, Channel 4.
We're enjoying that.
Coleman.
But now
Lenny James.
We're going home.
Love Lenny James.
To watch The
Victim.
Victim. We found Mrs. Tiggy Winkle. Hello, Mrs. Tiggy Winkle. I don't need to be scared.